In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with a community on Circle. So, whether you're a seasoned online community manager or just starting out, understanding how to monetize your platform can make a significant difference. Let's dive into the process of setting up a paid membership plan to generate income from your community. First, you'll need to log into your Circle.so admin account. This initial step ensures you have all the access and control needed to start monetizing. Once logged in, your next task is to create a paid space or membership plan. This feature allows you to determine the kind of content and interaction that will be exclusive to paying members, adding value to your offerings. After setting up the paid space, click on Spaces, select your desired space, and navigate to the settings via the gear icon. Under Access, make sure to require a paid plan and save these changes. Doing so ensures that the space or content you want to monetize is locked behind the membership paywall, confirming that only subscribed members can access it. Now, in case you haven't set up a plan yet, head over to Settings, select Payments and then Plans, where you'll have the option to create a plan. Here, you can enter the name, price, and access level of your plan. Don't forget to save these details. This is an opportunity to tailor your membership tiers to match the variety of content and engagement levels you plan to offer. Next, you'll want to connect a payment gateway to facilitate transactions. Go to Settings, then Payments, and choose to connect either Stripe or PayPal. Follow the prompts to enter your credentials and save. It's crucial to have a reliable payment method in place, ensuring a smooth transaction process for your members. Once this setup is complete, focus on adding content and value to your community. Within Circle, click on Spaces, select a space, and create a post. You can add rich content such as videos, PDFs, forms, polls, or even events. Use this platform to showcase the exclusivity and worth of your community. Moreover, consider offering exclusive benefits by enabling additional features. Navigate to Spaces, Settings, and Features, where you can enable events, courses, or gamification. These added functionalities can elevate the user experience, making the membership even more attractive. Promoting your paid membership is up next. In Payments and Plans, copy the checkout link and share it via your website, email, or social media platforms. Making your link easily accessible maximizes your audience reach and potential conversions. You might also explore optional upsells or add-ons by revisiting Spaces, Settings, and Paid Access. Here, add additional plans or premium content options which provide more choices to your community. Finally, it's important to track your revenue and engagement. Go to Settings, then